Namaste everyone, welcome to the class. Now let us solve few more problems. Now you are quite confident in solving these kind of problems, so better you solve first without looking at the solution and then check the solution. So here this is our equation 1, this is our equation 2. We are going to solve them by elimination method. They have not mentioned any method, but these are the problems from exercise of elimination method. So let us solve them by elimination method. Now here equation 1 I multiply by 8, so that fraction part will remove. So multiply, I will say multiply equation 1 by 8. So 8 for the 32x plus x minus y. I multiply this by 8, so 8 cancel, and 17 8 the, so 8 7 the 56, 5 carry, and 8 1 the 8 plus 5 13. So this is 136. This 32x plus x is 33x minus y is equals to 136. I will consider this as equation number 3. Similarly, I will multiply equation 2 by 3. Multiply equation 2 by 3. So 2y, when it is multiplied by 3, it will become 6y, plus x will become 3x, minus, here it is minus, so I will change sign of both the terms. So 5y and minus 2 is equals to 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Okay, so be very careful while you are multiplying and opening the brackets, or if there minus sign, solving such kind of questions. So this is 3x, write 3x, 6y minus 5y is y. Then we have this minus 2, I will move this minus 2 on the right side, so it will become plus 2. So therefore I have 3x plus y is equals to 6 plus 2 is 8. This is our equation 4. So we have equation 3, we have equation 4. Now if I add them, my y term will go. So adding equation 3 and 4. So here I will say that adding equation 3 and 4. So equation 3 is 33 x minus y is equals to 136. Equation 4 is 3x plus y is equals to 8. I will add them. 33 plus 3 is 36. So this is 36x, y will cancel. 8 plus 6, 14, 1 carry, 3 plus 1, 4, 1, 144. Therefore x will become 144 upon 36. Now let us first cancel them with 4. With 4, yes, they are cancelling. So 4 3s are 12, 2 carried 24, 4 6 are, and here in denominator 4 9s are. Then 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36. So therefore we got x is equals to 4. Now put this value of x 4, put x is equals to 4 in equation, in any of the equation you can substitute. So say in equation, let us take equation 4, in equation 4. So we have 3x plus y is equals to 8. 3x So that is 3x means 4, 3 into 4, 3x plus y is equals to 8. So therefore y will become 8 minus 3 4s are 12, that is minus 4. So y is minus 4, x is plus 4. Therefore I will say solution. In solution we have x as plus 4 and y as minus 4. So this is our solution. Done? Okay. Now let us solve this second question also. So let us write the second question. I will consider this as equation 1, this as equation 2. Now LCM of 3 and 2 is 6, so I multiply each term by 6. So I will say that multiply equation 1 by 6. So when I multiply by 6, you can simply write like this: 6, take a big bracket, and in that big bracket say x plus 1 divided by 2 plus y minus 1 divided by 3 is equals to 8. So that means this 6 is multiplied by every term, and then you can say that 6 into x plus 1 divided by 2 plus 6 into y minus 1 divided by 3 is equals to 6 into 8. Then you solve this as 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are, so it become 3 into x plus 1 plus 3 1s are 3 2s are, it become 2 into y minus 1 is equals to 6 8s are 48. So again I open the bracket, this is 3x plus 3 plus 2y minus 2 is equals to 48. Now this 3x and this 2y, so I will write 3x plus 2y, this plus 3 and minus 2, so it is plus 1 is equals to 48. Therefore 3x plus 2y is equals to 48 minus 1 is 47. Now this is our equation number 3. And the same way, equation number 2 I will multiply by 6. So I will say multiply equation 2 by 6. So equation 2 I will multiply by 6. So it is 6 into x minus 1 by 3, 6 into x minus 1 divided by 3 plus 6 into y plus 1 divided by 2 plus 6 into y plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 9 into 6. This is equals to 9 into 6. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So therefore it is 2x minus 2 plus 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So this is 3y plus 3. 3 is multiplied by both these terms, 2 is multiplied by both these terms, is equals to here 9 6 are 54. So this gives me, therefore I have 2x plus 3y minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1 is equals to 54. So 2x plus 3y is equals to 53. This is our equation 4. Now equation 3 is 3x plus 2y is 47 and equation 4 is 2x plus 3y is equals to 53. Now if you remember that we have done one problem in which the coefficient of x and y are interchanged in the two equations, like here we have 3x in equation number 3 and we have 3y in equation number 4. We have 2y in equation number 3, we have 2x in equation number 4. So for such kind of questions, what we do, we add those equations, okay, then we subtract one equation from other, and then we again add. So this is the simpler way to solve the problem. You can use any other method also. Okay, so here I will say that adding equation 3 and 4. So adding equation 3 and 4. So equation number 3 is 3x plus 2y is equals to 47. 3x plus 2y is equals to 47. This is our equation 3. And our equation 4 is 2x plus 3y is equals to 53. So we will add them first. So 3x plus 2x is 5x, plus 2y plus 3y is 5y, is equals to 7 plus 3 10, 5 plus 5 10. So therefore x plus y is equals to, now here first we take 5 common, here it is 100. So therefore I get x plus y is equals to 100 upon 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, so this is 20. X plus y is equals to, therefore x plus y is equal to 20. Now this I will consider equation number 3, 4 we have done, so this is equation number 5. Now I will say subtract equation 4 from equation 3. We are subtracting equation 4 from equation 3. 3x plus 2y is equals to 47. 3x plus 2y is equals to 47. And here I have next equation is 2x plus 3y is equals to 53. Equation 4 from 3. So 3 is 3x plus 2y is 47, 2x plus 3y is 53. I have to subtract. So I will change the sign. Here 3x minus 2x is x, 2y minus 3y is minus y, is equals to 47 minus 53 is 13 minus 7 is 6. So this is minus 6. This is our equation number 6. Equation number 5 is x plus y is 20. Equation number 6 is x minus y is minus 6. Now I add this equation 5 and 6. So add equation 5 and 6. So I add this equation 5 and 6. So x plus y 20 and x minus y minus 6, I add them. X plus x will become 2x, y will cancel, and here 20 minus 6 will become 14. So therefore I have x is equals to 14 upon 2 is equals to 7. So the value of x is 7. The value of y, now I have to find the value of y. Once we get the x, we can put in any of the equation. So put x is equals to 7 in equation, say in equation 5. So what is our 5 equation? X plus y is 20. X, that is 7, plus y is equals to 20. So this gives me y as 20 minus 7 is equals to 13. So value of x is 7 and value of y is 13. So therefore x is 7 and y is 13. So this is first problem we have done. Now in the same way you can solve this second question. So as we are going further, the problems are becoming little more complex. Okay, they are not difficult, but they are little lengthy. Yes, so here also this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. I will take the LCM of this 2 and 3, which is 6. So I will multiply equation 1 by 6, multiply equation 1 by 6. Each term you are going to multiply by 6. So here when you multiply this by 6, you get 3 times x plus 1. Okay, in short I am doing, you know how to do calculations in detail, we have done in previous problem. Now 3 2s are 6, so here I have 2 into y minus 1 is equals to, here I have 6 into 8. So each term I have multiplied by 6. So here I got 3x plus 3 plus 2y minus 2 is equals to 6 8 is 48. So therefore I have 3x plus 2y plus 1 is equals to 48. This gives me 3x plus 2y is equals to 47. So this is our equation 3. In the same way, I will multiply equation 2 by 6. So multiply equation 2 by 6. So equation 2 is x minus 1 divided by 3. So 3 2s are, so it will become 2 into x minus 1 plus 3 into y plus 1 is equals to 6 into 9. So this gives me 2x minus 2 plus 3y plus 3 is equals to 6 and 54. Now this is 2x plus 3y, so therefore I have 2x plus 3y minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1 is equals to 54. So therefore I have 2x plus 3y is equals to 53. This is our equation number 4. Now 3x plus 2y is 47 and 2x plus 3y is 53. Again the same procedure, I will add them, subtract them. Now previous problem what we have got? We have got 3x plus 2y is 47. Here what we are getting? 3x plus 2y is 47 and 2x plus 3y as 53 and 2x plus 3y as 53. So the same equation we are getting in this problem also, okay, after simplification. So the problem is same, you can solve, right? Okay, so both are same type of problems. Now here again, okay, here I think the problem is little different. The first problem, if you see, we have 3 upon x plus 4y is 7 and 5 upon x plus 6y is equals to 13. So first if you see that it is not linear equation, as you have x in the denominator, we should have the degree of x same, which is positive degree. So better what we do here, we consider 1 upon x as say a. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So here I will say let 1 upon x is equals to a, and if you want you can take y as equals to b. As it look good if I create equation in a and b instead of a and y. So let us say 1 upon x is a and y as b. So therefore equation 1 becomes Now equation 1 you will write as 3a plus 4b is equals to 7. Consider this as equation 3, and this is 5a plus 6b is equals to 13. Consider this as equation 4. Now you have two linear equations. Now you have to make one coefficient same. So for b it is 4, and in this equation it is 6. LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. So to make 12, I will multiply equation 3 by 3 and equation 4 by 2. So multiply equation 3 by 3. So I get 9a plus 4 3 is 12b is equals to 7 3 is 21. This is our equation number 5, and in the same way we will multiply equation 4 by 2. So it becomes 10a plus 12b is equals to 13 to the 26. This is our equation number 6. Now I will subtract equation 5 from equation 6. So subtract equation 5 from 6. So first I will write equation 6, which is 10a plus 12b is equals to 26. Then I will write equation 5, which is 9a plus 12b is equals to 21. I will subtract. So this will become a and this will become 5. So a is equals to 5. Now put a is equals to 5 in equation. We can put in any of the equation. So let us put in equation 3. In equation 3, equation number 3 is 3a plus 4b. 3a plus 4b is equals to 7. So therefore I have 4b is equals to 7 minus 5 3 is 15. So this I will get 8. Therefore minus 8. Therefore the value of b is minus 8 divided by 4 is equals to minus 2. So therefore a I got as 5 and b I got as minus 2. So therefore a is equals to 1 upon x is 5 and b is equals to y is minus 2. So therefore I will reciprocate this. I have x is equals to 1 upon 5 and y as minus 2. So this is your final solution. So understood what you have to do here? You have to replace 1 upon x by some term a and 1 upon x only. Similarly, in this problem you will rearrange and replace 1 upon y with some term, say b. So let me solve this problem also. So here I will consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Now I will consider let 1 upon y is equals to b and x is equals to a. So again in terms of a and b I have equation. So therefore from equation 1 I have 5a minus 9 is equals to b. Therefore 5a minus b is equals to 9. This is my equation number 3. and from equation 2 we have a plus b is equals to 3. This is our equation 4. So 5a minus b is 9 and a plus b is 3. Now it is easy. We add equation 3 and 4 as the coefficient of b is same, which is 1 with different signs. So add them. So adding equation 3 and 4. Adding equation 3 and 4, we get 5a minus b is equals to 9 and a plus b is equals to 3. So we are adding them. 5a plus a will become 6a. Here they will cancel, and 9 plus 3 it will become 12. So therefore a is equals to 12 divided by 6, which is 2. So value of a is 2. Now put a is equals to 2 in equation 4. So 2 plus a is 2. So I will say that 2 plus b is equals to 3. So therefore I got b is equals to 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So therefore I have a is equals to x, which is equals to 2, and I have b is equals to 1 upon y is equals to 1. So therefore I can say that x is 2 and y as 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 only. So x is 2 and y is 1. So this is your solution. Okay. So I will stop my lecture here. Thank you for being with me. In the next class, we will see few more questions related with elimination method. Thank you.